Hello everyone, this is Melih Polat from NLA Logistics in Turkey. I want to introduce our new online customer service program, nlaonline.com, to you with this short video. Firstly, when you write nlaonline.com to your browser, you can open this main page. And you can also reach this page on nlalogistics.com main page with online services section and button. When you enter this page, the main page, you can see this table in front of you. You can enter your own main page with your email address and also your password. But when you don't want to enter your main page and only want to check your actual shipments, you should give your reference number in here and check your actual shipments like this. In this section, you can see your shipment type, FTL. It means full truck load, or LTL, less truck load. Same as partial. The shipper, the consignee, place of loading, place of destination. It also shows place of destination custom point, and it shows also place of destination point or delivery point. You can also check your quantity, your weight information, also truck plate, trailer plate, estimated departure time and estimated arrival time. These are summary of your actual shipments. If you want to open your own page, you should enter your mail address, and your password. Okay. When you enter this your own page, you can also see the tracking section in front of you. It's the same section of the check that way before. You can enter or reference number of actual shipments and check it. Then you can see your all details of actual shipments. When we look at the actual shipments, you can see the type of shipment, your reference number, shipper consignee informations, also departure custom, destination customs, delivery point, quantity, weight information, estimated departure, estimated arrival, truck plate, trailer plate, and state. State means the current location of the truck. When you click delivery shipment, you can see all of your shipments list in front of you which delivered to your warehouse or your point, like this. This state the last current location of the truck at that time. When you look at the invoices, you can see the invoice which were prepared for you and prepared to you. Invoice date, invoice number, the company of who will pay the invoice, invoice definition, invoice currency, invoice fee, and also the equality of Turkish liras. The last section is a new booking. When you want a new booking, you can use this section. You can choose the informations, full container or full truck, partial truck, import or export shipments, Incoterms. If you are a new shipper, please click off new shipper, or if you are an existing shipper, please click existing shipper, loading place, unloading place, loading time, and quantity, weight information. If it's a partial shipment, you can use dimensions in here, CBM, and it is stickable or non-stickable goods. Then you can save it. When you save it, this information, it's automatically come to us, and we will see in our system to your booking. I hope it will be helpful for you, and I hope also you will enjoy to use this system. Thank you very much.